Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll continue with Prepositions of Time, Unit 6 Booklet, page 9. Yesterday we mentioned a few prepositions of time, including in, on, at, for, and during. Let's look at in. So in is used for year. For example, in 2020, in 2007, in the 1990s. You can use in for period of the day, for example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. You can use in for months, like in February, in March, in April. You can use in for seasons, like in spring, in summer, in autumn, in winter. And there are other uses for in, for instance, in a few minutes, in the future, and so on. On is used for days. On Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. On can be used for special days, on my birthday, on holidays. It can also be used for dates, on 16th of March, on 20th of August, etc. If you see days with period of the day, for example, Monday morning, you will look at the day as the dominant and will use on instead of in. So you'll say on Monday morning, on Wednesday afternoon, etc. At is used. For example, at night. You won't say at morning, at afternoon. You will say in the morning, in the afternoon. But when it comes to night, you will say at night. For time, you will say at 10:30 a.m., at noon, which is 12 in the afternoon, at midnight, which is 12 at night. Weekend will be Saturday and Sundays, and you will say at weekends. Festival, for example, at Christmas, at Chinese New Year, at Easter. And also during meal times, at breakfast, at lunchtime, at lunch. During is very special because during is used for part of a period of time. That means it's a short time. For example, Jenny was sleeping during the lesson. She did not sleep in the morning, she did not sleep during lunch, but she slept during the lesson. Another example, I went hiking yesterday. During the hike, I saw a lot of used face masks and rubbish. For. For is used during a length of time. Now, for is a little bit different from during because for is longer and during is a bit shorter. So how do we know if it's long or short? Let's look at the example. Jason has been a TPK student for 7 months. So you can see for is used because it has been a length of time. Today we're going to look at prepositions of time until. Until stands for up to a certain time. For example, we will wait for you until 6:30. If it's 6:31, we will not wait for you. So we will wait for you until 6:30 means the last moment we'll wait for you is until 6:30. After 6:30, we will not wait for you. Another example, I was awake until 3 o'clock because I did not finish my homework. So this student burned the midnight oil because he or she did not finish his or her homework, so she or he had to be awake until 3 o'clock. After 3 o'clock, the student slept. Prepositions of time. From. It is used to show where something starts. For example, she sent me a postcard from Taiwan. I have just come from work. Prepositions of time. To. To stands for until a particular time, state, or level. For example, I went to school from 8 to 12. Prepositions of time. Between. Between stands for in the period of time that separates two different times or events. For example, you shouldn't eat between meals. This sentence means you shouldn't eat between breakfast and lunch, or you shouldn't eat anything between lunch and dinner. The second example, there is a break of 10 minutes between classes. That means when one class finishes, you will have 10 minutes short break. And after 10 minutes, you'll have another class. Boys and girls, I hope you have found this video useful. Please complete page 9 of your Unit 6 booklet. We will continue with our unit booklet tomorrow. See you. Goodbye.